So you want to do an au pair in America. Now you've had your interviews, you're ready to go, you've had your visa appointment, but what do you pack? Here's some handy packing tips from our au pairs. Don't forget your passport and important documents.
Your driver's license.
Comfy clothes. Don't forget you're coming to look after children most days of the week. Bring lots of suitable clothes to wear with kids, like active wear and comfy pairs of sneakers.
The right clothes for the weather and climate you'll be living in, especially for the season you arrive in.
Sentimental items from your home country, like a flag or a family photo frame that you can put in your bedroom to make it feel like home. Maybe a bag of candy to keep in a safe place to overcome any homesickness.
A power adapter to make sure you can charge anything important when you first arrive, like your phone or your laptop.
Any of your favorite toiletries from back home that you might not be able to get in America. This also means you'll have more free space to bring things back home.
Lots of girls enjoy bringing small gifts to share with their host family when they first arrive. This could be something like candy from your home country or even a puzzle of the city that you live in. It could be anything. You can be creative.
Don't overpack. You'll buy so many new things in America and you'll need space to take them back home.
So there you have it. Now you're ready to come to the US and start your new adventure. By the way, we have an entire week's worth of informational videos, so if you've missed any, make sure you click on our profile and catch up on them all.